Okay guys, here we have this, it's a Bobcat stump grinder. It goes on Bobcat, John Deere, Caterpillar. It's quick attach. You can see here this machine, or this attachment's in almost new shape. As you could just see a minute ago, everything operates perfectly. This will fit up to pretty much any universal attach skid loader, just standard flow. It's not high flow or anything. The teeth are in really good shape. Carbide teeth. We can ship this pretty much anywhere. If you have any questions, you can just send me a message. Thank you.